Today, we are a team of game developers.
And we'd like to showcase a day that we created called Minecraft.
It is a luminous space horror game with unique gameplay mechanics.
Based on the classic Minecraft series. The Shanks manga ship is how the main work slash lever is generated, rendered, and stored in memory.
Okay, so when it comes to player and enemy, player has typical movements controls. However, in Minecrawler, when the player right-clicks on a tile, the tile will glow yellow, which means the tile has been flagged. Meanwhile, left-clicking on a tile will reveal it. However, there is a chance that revealing a tile could reveal a mine, which makes the player lose one life. When it comes to enemy AI, enemy has a multi-stage process from spawning to chasing, which makes it a complex enemy. Once the enemy catches the player, they will lose all lives. In terms of world, each level is generated by picking a random number from a 64-bit integer array, and each generated world has a 16 by 16 tile size chunk, which contains the data if each tile is a mine, a numbered or colored, or a clear tile mechanics.
The enemy manga scripts were almost entire of the enemy is written from spanning guns, racing dials. So let's move on to the game itself. Players spawn in a clear tile, and the objective is to find all the stars that are hidden within the walls. The left clicking to reveal the walls, but there are also mines that hidden within the wall. So the player has to be careful on which wall they will go, as you will lose one, right? Out of the default of war is found with. Players can gain a life from collecting the stars to a total of 5 lives. To help the player locate the star and to avoid the enemy, players have what's called the pulse vision. By pressing the Q, players will be able to see the location of the stars highlighted in yellow and the enemy highlighted in red.
The graphics are very simple. Slash characters act as the walls, and the colored tiles act as the numbers that indicate of how many tiles are touching that particular tile. Blue means one mine is touching this tile. Green means two mines are touching this tile. Red means three. Purple or dark blue means four. Maroon or dark red means five. Teal or cyan means six. Gray is purple means seven. And flat out gray means eight.
The main is the core of the game. You can find here the code for how the game handles counts logging slash unloading. This is where the script for player had, likes, and skill are found in many more factions. The star manga script is how the star for the game is found in a mini thing.